This is the blizzard of 2010. That's John out there shoveling the snow. It's 7:30 in the morning. And he thinks he's still going to work. But there ain't no traffic that much, so he ain't going anywhere. All the other counties are having a statewide emergency. He is shut down. Oh, and over here, I'll zoom out. That used to be a nice little tree. But if I zoom in, you can see that it's busted because of the snow. And this is this is February 5th or 6th, 2010. What? Snow. There goes John.
The rolling tide, serene, through the bubbly blue and green. It's lovely bobbing along on the bottom of the beautiful briny sea. What if the octopus, the flounder, and the cod think we're rather odd? It's fun to promenade, bobbing along, singing a song on the bottom of the beautiful briny sea.
Send these pictures to my sister in Florida.
It's lovely bobbing along on the bottom of the beautiful briny sea. What a chance to get a better peek at the plants and creatures of the deep. It's grand when you're dancing on the sand.
Each glass bubbles over with romance.
It's lovely bobbing along through the water where we get along swimmingly. From the frenzy of the frantic golden hour to